Okay, this is 5, 6, 7, I don't know, 6, and we're over here cozy by the fireplace.
Yeah.
'Cause mine, you can see real
Ooh,
well.
that's beautiful.
Yeah. Look, there's another fireplace in there. That must be the dining area. That's the dining area. Nice and cozy in there. And here come people we don't know. They're aliens. They're aliens from the Red Rock. Remember that one? And we're just looking around, seeing what's going on. And back to my baby, the Snow Bunny. You guys remember her. She was in the first sequel. We can't get rid of her now.
Hey.
She wanted more money for this sequel. I told her I'd handle it later.
Oh my.
All right. And coming to a close.